welcome to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle. This is Tej Bhatnagar, and it's good to have you back. And if you're coming to the channel for another time, and if you're first time here, I really appreciate it. So on this channel we've been talking about so today's video is all about a quick reminder of what. Let's get the video started. So hey, we've been talking about self-help, how to develop personal skills, interpersonal skills, how to be a better person every day, and how to work well towards your goals. We've been making it a pretty big deal out of it. Not that it isn't, but कभी कभी हमें थोड़ी नॉर्मल चीज़ों के बारे में भी बात करनी चाहिए. लाइक एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा चैनल इज़, आई रियलाइज दैट इट्स बिन अ प्रीटी सीरियस चैनल, तो हम इस पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा काम की बातें कर रहे हैं. सो द क्विक रिमाइंडर एंड टुडेज़ वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट, आई वांट टू अर्ज यू to look for fun too. I totally agree that we have been doing a lot of serious work, and we've been following Selfie Mondays. We've been working so hard. So I know, and we all know that whatever skills that we've discussed are very important to have, are very 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 important. But what's more important, not more, but what is equally important is having fun too. Why? Because you can't have an all serious day, a day where you've been working 24 hours. There should be, and I really want to emphasize on this, there should be some fun involved in your day. So before you go to bed, make a mental note of the times that you have smiled, that you have laughed, that you have spread positivity. And if your day doesn't consist of all that, your day really didn't work out, dude. So I really want to urge with this video that the world is actually a really sad place right now because of all the pandemic and all the sad and very bad news coming these days. The Hathras incident and a lot of similar incidents that have been going on. So it's a really sad place right now, and with all the deaths with corona and everything, I really want to urge you people to spread the positivity as much as you can, and you can really start with your own home. If you're having a little bit mini quarrels at your home, I really want you to resolve them and start afresh with a smile, because already the world is suffering a lot of negativity, and we can do our bit. We can just make our place and the people around us happy, and maybe that will do, because that's probably our bit to do. हम वो तो कर सकते हैं, अपने घर में खुशियाँ बांटना, अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपने बहन भाई, अपने मम्मा पापा, जो भी है आपके आसपास, जिससे भी आप प्यार करते हो एंड दे आर स्टिल अराउंड यू, you should spread positivity as much as you can. This was a quick reminder video because we've been talking a lot about our interpersonal skills, all the serious things, and given the fact that the world is suffering a lot right now, I know it's kind of difficult to hold on to that positive thing, to hold on to that positivity, and I'm with you. I'm doing the same thing right now. I'm trying to spread as much positivity as I can around me, and I hope this works out. I hope if we do our bit, अगर हम सब मिलके थोड़ा थोड़ा करेंगे, तो it might make a big difference. यू नो बस हंसी मजाक करते रहो। आई नो बहुत सैड रहने का मन करता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ख़राब चल रही होंगी आपकी लाइफ में, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, ट्रस्ट मी आई डू। तो वो सब एक दिन के लिए भूल जाओ एंड ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन द गुड थिंग्स दैट यू हैव, बेटर थिंग्स। एंड हैं पता है हमारी लाइफ में और भी बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं जिनको हम अभी एज ऑफ नाउ इग्नोर कर रहे हैं। Why? Because everyone is kind of focusing on the negative things that's happening around, and we are kind of a part of that crowd, and we shouldn't be. You know, we should be the part of the crowd which is more focused on spreading positivity, spreading goodness around, and that would do. I think that would be way better बाकी सब चीज़ों से। You know, आसपास सिर्फ पॉजिटिव चीज़ें देखो, एटलीस्ट ट्राई कि आप सिर्फ पॉजिटिव चीज़ें देखते रहो एंड खुश रहो। हाँ आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ये टू मेक दिस वर्ल्ड अ बेटर प्लेस, इफ़ नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स। आप अपने घर के आसपास से ही शुरू करो, अपनी फैमिली से शुरू करो, अपना एनवायरनमेंट ठीक करो, क्योंकि अगर हम इस चीज़ को इफ़ वी लेट दिस थिंग हमारे ऊपर भारी हो जाएगी, and there will come a time when a lot of this population will be suffering from depression, will feel lonely, and बहुत सारी चीज़ें, because a lot of suicides have happened this year because of loneliness, sadness and all of this shit which could have been stopped, जहाँ पे हम एक दूसरे का साथ दे सकते थे। सो इससे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें रुक जाएंगी just by doing your little bit. All you have to do is किसी एक बंदे को हंसा दो, आज किसी एक बंदे को खुश कर दो फॉर वन डे, कल किसी और को खुश कर दो। मेक समवन स्माइल एंड दे विल नेवर फॉरगेट यू फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ्स, क्योंकि ऐसे टाइम में मेकिंग समवन स्माइल इज़ अ वेरी बिग थिंग। तो मुश्किल भी होगा, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट विल बी एन ईजी जॉब टू मेक समवन स्माइल, मुश्किल भी होगा, कर लेते हैं। मुश्किल बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं आजकल, पर आई थिंक किसी को हंसाना उन सारी चीज़ों से तो ईजी होगा, राइट? सो गाइस, बिफोर आई रैप अप दिस वीडियो हियर, आई रियली वांट टू रिमाइंड यू टू बी हैप्पी, टू स्प्रेड पॉजिटिविटी एंड at least try your bit to make this world a better place. I'll see you in the next video and stay tuned. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, or I can't tell you really what to do. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay smiling and tada.